Hair fall is a very common condition and affects most people at some point of time in their lives. Some degree of hair loss is normal. As people get older, their hair may naturally start to lose volume and strength. Common types include male or female pattern hair loss, alopecia areata, and a thinning of hair known as telogen effluvium. There are quite a few home remedies which can contribute in stopping the hair fall to a good extent. Vitamin deficiencies may be a risk factor for hair loss. Taking proper care of the hair and scalp can help prevent hair loss. It may also improve hair growth. This is a good time to take action as it may be due to an underlying condition. In this video, let's see some easy tips you could follow to prevent hair fall and get strong, healthy hair. Keep yourself hydrated. The hair shaft comprises 1/4 water. So drink at least 4 to 8 cups of water in a day to stay hydrated and for the growth of healthy hair. Nutritional deficiencies. It could be possible that essential nutrients may be missing from your diet such as iron, copper, zinc and proteins. The deficiency of vitamin D is another cause of hair loss. In order to avoid this, make sure to get out and soak up some sun. Protein and multivitamin. Eating a diet rich in protein may help prevent hair loss. Healthy choices include foods like eggs, nuts, beans and peas, fish, low-fat dairy products, chicken, and turkey. Vitamins A, B, C, D, iron, selenium, zinc and essential fatty acids are all important to the hair growth and retention processes, specifically with cell turnover. Biotin. Vitamin B7 is important for cells inside your body. Low levels of it can cause hair loss, skin rashes, and brittle nails. Most people get enough biotin from their diet. Biotin can be found in foods like egg yolks, whole grains and meat. Oil your hair. Coconut oil and bringadi oil in particular, they contain fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from the hair. Almond oil has the highest content of natural vitamin E. It is also rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, proteins and magnesium, which helps in reducing hair breakage and promoting hair growth. Coconut oil helps in promoting overall hair growth, making the hair soft and lustrous. It also protects the hair against heat damage, and repairs the weak and brittle hair strands. Neem oil prevents dandruff and hair lice conditions and repairs damaged cuticles, reduces redness and irritation caused by eczema, and promotes hair growth. Licorice root. This is very effective in preventing hair loss and further damage to the hair. It soothes the scalp and also gets rid of any dandruff. Make a paste by adding a tablespoon of ground licorice and a 1/4 teaspoon saffron to a cup of milk. Apply this to the scalp and leave it on overnight. Wash your hair the next morning. For best results, repeat this 2 times a week. Massage. Massaging the scalp can help to restore hair growth and can be used in conjunction with hair oils and masks. This stimulates the scalp and can improve hair thickness. Trusted source. Taking the time to massage your scalp each day can also help you relieve stress and tension. Onion juice. If you can handle the smell of onion juice, you may find that the benefits are worth it. Applying onion juice to the hair and scalp could increase blood supply to hair follicles, which in turn improves hair growth. Onion juice has been shown trusted source to successfully treat patchy alopecia areata by promoting hair growth. Onion juice is also thought to improve circulation. Yogurt and honey. Make a mixture of 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey and lemon. Apply this concoction on your scalp and roots. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. You can apply this paste once a week. Aloe vera has long been used for treating trusted source hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. You can also use shampoo and conditioner that contain aloe vera. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Amla is another effective home remedy to stop hair fall. One of the causes is the deficiency of vitamin C, hence consuming amla will strengthen the hair follicles and help you to control it. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and exfoliating properties, amla helps promote faster growth of hair, maintain a healthy scalp and prevents premature graying. Fenugreek or methi seed is among the most effective home remedies to stop hair loss. It repairs the hair follicles and helps in the regrowth of the hair. Soak the fenugreek seeds overnight in water. Grind it to a fine paste and apply it to your hair and scalp. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse it with normal water. Do it twice a week for a month to control hair fall. Diet and exercise. You need to feed your hair all the right nutrients, particularly plenty of protein and iron. However, along with eating a balanced diet, ensure you are exercising side by side. Yoga and meditation are effective in reducing hair fall. Eating foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E may help your body grow hair more effectively. Regular practice of yoga is highly beneficial for making your hair lush and preventing hair fall. Uttanasana is done to regulate blood flow to the scalp, and it also relieves stress, which is a major cause of hair fall. Manage your stress. How you handle stress can have an impact on hair loss. If you go through a stressful life event and you don't seek help, you could have further hair loss. Stress management techniques you can do at home include yoga, meditation, deep breathing, journaling, spending time outdoors, and counseling or therapy. Good sleep. All the magic of your efforts will come to result action in the deep state of rest, which is when you are sleeping. Thus, prioritizing good quality sleep for about 7 hours daily is the first step towards healing yourself. Also remember, it is the quality of sleep over the quantity of it. It is very important to maintain a fixed bedtime and waking up a schedule and stick to that as much as possible, even when it is hard to stick on. This helps in maintaining a fixed circadian rhythm that can also prevent sleep deficiency. Wrapping up. So, whether you are a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, or an eggetarian, make sure you are getting your daily intake of protein, vitamins, and minerals. If you have noticed unusual and sudden hair loss recently, consult your dermatologist. Talk to your doctor about medications or procedures if these natural methods don't work for you.